What if building a professional WordPress layout didn't have to start with a blank page? The good news is Beaver Builder recently released over 60 brand new box module templates. You can now drag in pre-designed sections such as heroes, testimonials, bento grids, and author boxes that are fully customizable. Coming up in this video, I'll show you how to use these new box module templates and how they can speed up your workflow. Let's dive in. But first, before we begin, let's answer the burning question, what are box module templates? Beaver Builder's box module is a flexible layout container powered by Flexbox and CSS Grid. But with our new box module templates, you get ready-made layouts that you can drop straight into your pages. And these templates are built to be modern, responsive, and easy to edit. Here's how to access the box module templates. In the upper right-hand corner, click the plus icon to open the content panel, select the Templates tab, then click Pre-built modules to filter the box module templates. Here you can select from the following categories: callouts, authors, team members, testimonials, bento grids, heroes, call to action, subscribe, and content. Click and drag any template onto your page. It loads instantly with all styles and settings applied. Now here's where it gets fun. Once inserted, everything is editable. And these templates are meant as starting points, so you never feel locked in. You can tweak every detail to match your brand or design style. That's the power of these templates. You're not starting from zero, you're starting from 80% done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, where I shared with you Beaver Builder's brand new box module templates that will save you time and effort. If you're already using Beaver Builder, you can update to version 2.10 today to check them out. If you'd like to give Beaver Builder a try, there's a link in the description to get started. Bye for now.